Is octopus a fish or what? Meet the octopus, a marine creature that sparks curiosity. But is it a fish? No, it's not. Octopuses belong to cephalopods. Cephalopods, what's that? It's a group including squids and cuttlefish, known for their intelligence and versatility. Octopuses are invertebrates, meaning they have no backbone. They are masters of disguise, changing color and texture to blend with their surroundings. Unlike fish, they have 3 hearts, pumping blue, copper-rich blood. So, remember, octopuses aren't fish. They are cephalopods, a remarkable and surprisingly sophisticated group of marine creatures. Now, isn't nature intriguing?